We can also group multiple routes together. For example, let's create two routes, one as a product details, and in here I will return, for now, return details. And let's create one more route with a type of get, and let's call the product slash view and our callback function. In here let's return view. So if we go to the URL and instead of about, I type here product slash details, I will get details. And if I type here view, maybe okay, product. Now let's go back to the browser, refresh, I will get view. So if I come here, I have two URL with the same prefix. Now I don't want to repeat this again and again and again. So instead of that, I will create a group route by typing route colon colon prefix, and in here I will type product. Then after that, I will say group all of them, group with our callback function. Now I just have to cut this to URL from here and paste it in here. Now I don't have to type this product. Now let's save everything and let's go to the browser. Now if I refresh, I get the view, and if I change this to details, I will get my details. So nothing has been changed, just we remove the repeating word of the prefix and we add it in here. Then we group all our URLs together.